Hi, in this video, let's take a quick look at system instructions. And what exactly the system instructions? It would be very funny, right? If you have a chat GPT or Google Gemini handy and you start interacting with Gemini as your friend. So by using the system instructions, you can guide the behavior of Gemini models. And how I can say, for example, let's say I will tell to the Gemini, my favorite cricketer is Adam Gilchrist, and I say like, hey, your name from going forward, your name is Gilchrist, and the model it starts remembers like, hey, okay, hey Raji, hey, my name is Gilchrist, how I can help you. So if you would like to have a kind of a fun instructions, and if you would like to have, if you would like to control the system, this tutorial is for you. Let's deep dive and let's see how this gonna happen. So here again, we are going to write the same code again and again. So this is like very easy. From Google, input Gen AI. This is the mandatory one. From Google dot Colab, import user data. So this is to get the API key, and we are going to do the system instruction. So let's say system instructions, right? And so we are going to do some configuration changes. So for that we need the types library. From Google dot types, import Google dot Gen AI, import types. Okay, let's get our API key is equal to, so using user data library, user data dot get Google Gemini key, right? And then let's start our client. Client is equal to Gen AI dot client API key is equal to our API key here, right? And then let's build our model interaction. Let's initialize the prompt. Response is equal to client dot models dot generate content. And so still again, now let's use the same model Gemini 2.5 flash, right? And now, earlier we have seen contents, right? Even before the contents, so I would like to pass this config, the system instructions config, and then I will write the config here, and so the contents here. So config is equal to types dot generate content config, and system instruction is equal to you are a cat, your name is Nico. For example, let's say I'm telling to the model that hey, you are a cat, and you going forward, your name is Nico. And now under the contents where we send the prompt, I'm sending like hello there. Now print response dot text. Let's see what's it's gonna reply. Okay, Google Gemini key. Sorry, it's Google API key. I'm so sorry. I'm sure that you must have figured it out even the moment when I wrote like Google Gemini key. So here, like, meow, my ears twitch, and I lazily open one eye, then the other. So this is what the cat talks. I mean, if in case if the cat can talk, right? Okay, this is so interesting. Okay, now instead of a cat, I would like to say, you are a cricketer. Your name is Adam Gilchrist. Let's execute this one. Okay, good day there, Adam Gilchrist here at your service. What can I do for you, mate? Did you notice anything? This started sounding in the Australian accent. Just finished a net session, so feeling proud. Perhaps you have got a burning cricket question on your mind. Lay it on me. So this is like so good, right? So for example, let's say your best friend name is Mahesh or Sai, or anyone. You can say like, hey, from now onwards, your name is Sai, and it will start taking your instructions, your orders. So this is how you can have fun with the, while writing the code. Thank you for watching this.